Hello everyone. Today we will solve the question of chapter number 2, components of food. And the questions are given on page number 17 in NCERT Science. Okay children? So all of you check it. So what is the question number 1? Name the major nutrient in our food. What are the major nutrient present in our food? There are 5 nutrients which is present in our food: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Okay, and we also include dietary fiber and water in our diet. Why? Because dietary fiber help to remove waste from our body. Okay, it helps to get rid from the waste product. Okay, and what is the function of water? Also help to remove some waste from our body, and it also helps to absorb nutrients from the food. Okay, so what is the complete answer? The main nutrients in our food are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, while some additional are dietary fibers and water. Clear? Now move to question number 2. Name the following. A. The nutrient which mainly give energy to our body. Which nutrient give energy to our body? Carbohydrates and fats. Okay, so if you need energy, then you have to take the food which contain carbohydrates and fats. Okay, B part, the nutrient that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body. So the correct answer is protein and minerals. Okay, for proper growth and maintenance of your body, you need food which contain protein, lots of protein and minerals. After this, question number 2, C part. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. Answer is vitamin A. So which vitamin you require for good eyesight? Vitamin A. Okay, when I taught you this chapter, then at that time I told you if there is a deficiency of vitamin A in your body, you are going to suffer from night blindness. Okay, so for good eyesight, you need the food which contain vitamin A. D part, a mineral that is required for keeping your bones healthy. Which mineral you require? You require calcium to keep your bones healthy. Clear? Now move to question number 3. Name 2 food each rich in. So in this question, children, you have to tell 2 food item that is rich in fat, starch, dietary fiber and protein. So 2 food item that is rich in fat: ghee, butter. Starch you will get by eating potato and rice. Dietary fiber you will get from fresh fruits, whole grains, raw vegetables. Okay, like salad you are eating na, cucumber. Proteins you will get by eating soybean, fish. Only 2 example asked in this question, so that's why I'm writing. I have written only two options. Now take this correct statement. So children, in this what you have to do, you have to put tick in front of the correct statement. Okay, and whatever the statement is wrong, put cross in front of that. So see the first A part. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. This is wrong. Okay, by eating only rice, we do not get all the types of nutrients. Okay, so for nutritional value, our body need all the type of nutrients. Clear? Now B part, deficiency disease can be prevented by eating balanced diet. Yes, this statement is correct. By eating balanced diet, you can prevent yourself, you can protect yourself from deficiency diseases. Now next question, C, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food item. Yes, this is also correct. Okay, if you want balanced diet, if you want to eat balanced diet, you should include all the types of food item in your diet. Okay, now D part, meat alone is sufficient to provide all the nutrients to the body. No, this is also wrong. Okay, meat provide us so many nutrients but not all the nutrients. So last one is also wrong. Now see filling the blanks, children. Last time I told you, when I have given you the question answer of chapter number 1, at that time I told you that this time I'm not going, means next time I'm not going to give you the answer. Okay, at that time only we will discuss. So you think and that what is the first answer? dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. What is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? Yes, very good. The correct answer is rickets. R-I-C-K-E-T-S, rickets. Okay children, I am going to write here. See the spelling, R-I-C-K-E-T-S. Disease name is rickets. Okay. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. So deficiency of vitamin B1. Okay, so I am writing here short form only VIT, but you write full. Okay, what is the spelling of vitamin? VITAMIN. You should learn correct spelling also. Okay, so vitamin B1, deficiency of vitamin B1 causes disease beriberi. Clear? Now, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease which disease? Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. SCURVY, scurvy. Okay, and the last one, night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Clear? This is the correct answer. Okay, A, rickets, B, vitamin B1, A, rickets. Clear? So these are the answer. Acha, one more thing I want to inform you. See in this question, this one, second one. Name the following. Okay, here I have written only carbohydrates, fats, protein, mineral, vitamin A, calcium. But what you have to do, you have to write full sentence. Okay, how? I will tell you. See, listen very carefully. The nutrient which mainly give energy to our body. So how you are going to write the answer? Don't write like this. What you will write? The nutrient, same line. The nutrient which mainly give energy to our body are, and after that you will write carbohydrate and fats. This is the complete answer. Okay, like this way you have to write in your notebook. B question, the nutrient that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body. So same way you will write full sentence. The nutrient that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body are, and after that you will write proteins and minerals. Clear? Now, a vitamin is required for maintaining good eyesight. So same line you will write. Answer you will write the same line. A vitamin required for maintaining a good eyesight is vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. So same line you will write is calcium. Okay, like this way you will write complete answer in your notebook. Okay, so all of you take care, and in our next video we will start chapter number 3. Okay, till then all of you take care, and please, if you like the content, then like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.